here it is. It's horrible. It's a Maverick SST 50cc mini bike from 1969. It's really screwed up. Not a pretty sight. Lower end is seized up. Definitely somebody's been in there. No throttle, no throttle cable. But otherwise, it's kind of like it's all there. Just gonna get it off the truck and oil some things and see what's what. I do have the jug in the head, and they're actually looking pretty good shape, believe it or not. Okay, let's see what drains out of here. This is the transmission. There's nothing in the crankcase because it's two-stroke. Got it loose. Here we go. Maybe nothing. Nothing. Not even water. Nope. Okay. Weird. First look at the carb. I'm glad that the slide's there. And the rubbers for the air filter and the air filter element is in there too. But no throttle cable. That might not be a big deal. Cylinder in the head. Okay, we took the engine off the Maverick, the 50cc. I got it inside. Look at the size of this case. This thing's huge. Okay, we're looking at the piston. We got the engine kind of sitting straight up here. Dumping some oil down there, hoping it'll loosen it up. Who the heck knows. I'm also going to pop off this case, I think, and see why it doesn't seem to be shifting. I guess we need to determine if this thing is worth trying to fix. Seems like kind of a long shot to get this thing going again, but I don't know, might work out. Okay, we got the bolts out. One took a lot of pounding with the impact wrench to get this one out. You can see it's all kind of stripped out. There's only one other one up top, so we're ready to unveil. Here we go. First time. I didn't cheat. Gah. Little nests. As Musty would say, it's time for eviction. Look at that. I don't even know what this stuff is. Gonna have to check it out. Let me clean it up. Okay, here it is, a little bit cleaned up anyway. Took the vacuum cleaner to it. That's a shifter mechanism, kind of reminiscent of a Hadaka, which I guess it has a push rod that goes down through the sprocket, from what I've heard, to change gears. And I believe there's something wrong with this because I could not get it in gear, but obviously it's seized up too. Here's a case. Got the mouse shit out of here. And one live bug. He's gone. He's in the vacuum now.